Tropical update at 8 p.m. PST. Jerry has strengthened the night. Convection has formed over the LSC. -80 convection has covered it. And Recon has found it under the convection. Has found 850 foot level winds of 66 knots on the northeastbound leg of the storm. In addition, there was a drop zone launched in the intermex wind band near the center, which had a 500-meter mean boundary layer wind of 71 knots and a surface wind gust of 55 knots. So they're going with 55 knots. It's moving west-northwest. All through the convection boost may have slowed down its motion a tad, estimated at 290 by 18 knots. The forecast track remains the same this evening, with a subtropical ridge while it steps to the northeast of the storm, and very will likely be steered around this feature, turning to the northwest in 24 hours and then north by 48 hours on the forecast track. This takes generally about 80 to 100 miles to the northeast of the northerly round by late tomorrow. And then it will move northward and out to sea. They expect some strengthening to 75 knots in about 60 hours. I agree. I think this thing will likely become a hurricane. Here's the track. It's moving west-northwest at 21 miles per hour. Yeah, which is in line with the models. As you can see, GEFS. Intensity, which I think it will become a hurricane. 75 to 80 knots is pretty likely. This thing definitely has an organization. We can just show you the latest satellite picture of it. It's about right in here. Next, we're going to look at this a little bit of a surprise. A new Invest 96L, 45 knot wind, 41.9, 35.6 west in the North Atlantic by the Azores. I mean, expected to head northeastward over the next 72 hours. And out to sea. I mean, incredible. I mean, it's possible it develops into a tropical cyclone. Here it is. We can develop a little bit more convection. We could have a subtropical storm occurring. I mean, before it hits Dakota water further north. This is north of the freaking Azores, for fuck's sake. We'll keep watching it. Next, we're watching Priscilla, which is close to the Baja offshore. It's right there. Well, anyways, I mean, this system is expected to has 55 knot wind, 22.3 north, 115.3 west. Expected to weaken and into a remnant before you make landfall, but tropical storm force winds are close to land. Moving north with 8 miles per hour, 65 mile per hour winds. Yeah, here's the models. Should clearly weaken into a remnant low in the next 24 to 36 hours. We got Octave, which has 40 knot winds, 15.9 north, 114 west. What can I say? I mean, this thing is far on the southern side. Should move northeastward in the next 48 hours. Potentially, it could even get into more favorable conditions as it springs towards the Baja also. I mean, I could also get into more favorable conditions on 36 hours. We'll have to see. Lastly, we got 90E, which has a really good chance of formation. I mean, 80% chance of formation of this system. 50.3 north, 96.5 west. And it's parallel to Mexico. It could also threaten Yucatan. I mean, about California. Models mostly cap it at about 45 knots. So not a particularly strong storm. Here it is, close to land. Should limit it. Here's Jerry's track based on the neighbors. We'll have to We're kind of watching something in the Bay Campeche too at a 10%. But it should be in land really soon. Um, yeah. So that's pretty much what we have to really watch short term, and that's what I'm going to focus on right now. Here's that system, the Bay Campeche moving inland. Well, that's your tropical update.